All right, let's try to finish up our discussion of differential analysis. And so it looks like we have to start off with a question up here on replacing some machinery. Okay, very good. So it says Nighthawk Incorporated is considering disposing of an old machine with a book value of $22,500 and an estimated remaining life of 3 years. The old machine can be sold for $6,250. A new machine with a purchase price of $68,750 is being considered as a replacement. It will have a useful life of 3 years and no residual value. It is estimated that the annual variable machine cost will be reduced from $43,750 to $20,000 if the new machine is purchased. The differential effect on income for the entire 3 years for the new machine is what? Okay. So let's just do it like this. Let's have old and new. Okay. We've already purchased the old machine, so this book value here is not relevant to our current decision-making process. What is, however, relevant is this $43,750 that we have in annual operating costs, and we're going to have that for 3 more years because it has 3 years left. So 3 times 43,750. Okay. And let's just take a look here and see what we have. Let's see here. If we take 43,750 times 3, we come up with $131,250. Okay. Now the new machine has $20,000 in annual expense as well, so we might as well go ahead and account for that. And that comes to $60,000. Now, unlike the old machine, we actually have to purchase the new machine. So we have the purchase price, or a cash outlay, equal to $68,750. We also get to, if we buy the new machine, we get $62.50 in cash for selling the old machine. So we're actually going to include that over here. But we're going to include that as a negative. Okay. So let's see what we have here. We have 60,000 plus 68,750 minus 62.50 equals 122.5. $131,750 minus 122,500. Let's see, what did I do wrong there? I see what I did. 131,250 minus 122,500. I need to change this. I wrote down the wrong number. Okay. And that is equal to 87.50. And now I've forgotten what they asked us for. The differential effect on income for the entire 3 years. So when they say differential effect on income, they're talking bottom line. So this would be an 8750 increase. The expense, if they had asked for differential cost, the answer would still be 8750, and that's actually what I thought they asked for, but it's differential effect on income. So if they had asked for cost, the answer would be 8750 decrease, but they asked for income, so it's 8750 increase. Okay? Let's see what else we have here. It says right here, Jarrett is considering a cash outlay of $300,000 for the purchase of land, which it could lease out for $36,000 per year. If alternative investments are available that yield a 9% return, the opportunity cost of the purchase of the land is what? Well, we need to understand what opportunity cost is. Opportunity cost is in this case, would be the foregone income from an alternative decision. Okay? So you might be tempted to take the 300,000 times the 0.9, come up with 27,000, and then subtract that 27,000 from the 36,000 and say that the answer is $9,000. That's incorrect. All we have to do is this step right here. If we decide to purchase the land and lease it out for $36,000, that's great, but we are giving up $27,000 in interest. Okay? Now, it's the right decision to do this because we make $9,000 more, but our answer is what did we give up? We gave up $27,000 to make the $36,000. Okay, so that's our answer. What is this now? Thought we had already done this. Okay, Carmen Company can further process product J to produce product D. Product J is currently selling for $20 per pound and costs $15.75 per pound to produce. Product D will sell for $38 per pound and would require an additional $8.55 per pound to produce. What is the differential cost of producing product D? We've already done this question. The differential cost is $8.55. There it is right there. Okay. I apologize. I gave you that question twice, and the other time we had to do a couple of other things to it, I believe. All right, let's look here at the last question. Stryker Industries received an offer from an exporter for 15,000 units of product at $17.50 per unit. Okay. The acceptance of the offer will not affect normal production or domestic sales prices. That's good information. That means that we are operating within our capacity. The following data is available. Domestic sales price, $20. That's what we normally sell it for. Unit manufacturing costs, we have $12 of variable costs and fixed costs of $1. What is the differential revenue from acceptance of the offer? Okay, so this is what we normally sell it for. Guess what? Doesn't matter. Irrelevant information. Don't need it. Okay? Fixed costs, $1 per unit. Guess what? Don't need it. Because fixed costs are fixed regardless. and it says that it will not affect normal production, so we're within relevant range. So all we have to do says, what is the differential revenue from acceptance of the offer? Well, differential revenue is 1750 times 15,000. So if we bring this over here, 1750 times 15,000 equals 262,500. That's our answer. That is our answer. Now, if I asked if you wanted to know what was differential income from acceptance of the offer, we would have to subtract out $11. That'd give us 1650 times the 15,000, but that's not what we're being asked to do. So this is all we have to do to answer the question. All right, I think that's our last handout for this chapter, so congratulations, you made it.